EZ Deluxe Tankless. The EZ Deluxe gas-powered tankless water heater can provide enough hot water for a 1 or 2 bath home. The easy-to-use and read LCD control panel includes a unique constant temperature setting option for consistent hot water usage. This slim wall-mounted tank has a sleek profile that makes it easy to install, saves space, and weighs only 31 pounds. From the start to finish of your shower, and when running a load of clothes in the washer simultaneously, the EZ Deluxe has the capacity to run up to 3.4 gallons per minute with a 45-degree rise in ambient temperature. You get perfect, consistent hot water control at the touch of a button. Set it and forget it. Never looked so good. Built with a direct vent dual-chamber intake and exhaust system, the EZ Deluxe gas-powered tankless water heater runs cool to the touch, and you don't have to worry about the unit overheating. While the EZ Tankless gas-powered hot water heater looks good on the surface and boasts gallons per minute numbers to deliver water to multiple sources in the home, the warranty isn't substantial. The primary heating element is flimsy and difficult to find and replace, and the overall construction of the unit isn't substantial enough to rely on to deliver the hot water the manufacturer claims. Pros: high-performance tankless water heating system for home. EZ Tankless offers a 1-year warranty. Easy installation with clear and concise instructions. Cons: manufactured solely for use in the United States. Heats 20% less gallons per minute than the manufacturer claims. Paper-thin heat exchanger not compatible with the heater's electrical components.